Hello friends, in previous video I have demonstrated how to perform factor analysis in SPSS with a case study of quality work life of bank employees. In continuation with the previous video, let us move to how to do multiple regression with the factor score. In this case study, we have extracted 4 factors: healthy working environment, opportunity for continued growth, adequate compensation, stress and work life. For multiple regression, we need both independent variable and a dependent variable. These 4 factors are considered to be independent variables. We have to have the dependent variables. The dependent variables is nothing but the overall total score of quality work life. We have 12 attributes. The total score of 12 will be the dependent variable for multiple regression. Let us see how to get the overall score with the help of SPSS. Go to transform, compute variables, total quality score. We have to add score of every variable, Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 Q5 Q6 Q7 Q8 Q9 plus Q10 plus Q11 plus and Q12. Click OK. In this last line, the compute total Q score has been created. Let us move to that score has been created. We don't want that decimal place, and the scale is scale total score. Let us see in data view. Next to the factor, the total score has been created. With the help of, let us perform regression. Regression analyze regression linear. The dependent variable should be total score. Independent variables are the factor scores. Put in. We need not change anything. We are going to perform this with the enter method. We need not touch anything because already ticked as default. So click OK. Let's get all the variables, all the information. In regression gives there are 3 tables. One is model summary about the witness of model and the relationship among the variables, and third is there is the point for generalization. So R square, R is 0.992. There is a highly correlated with one another with dependent variable and independent variable. R square shows 98.5% of variance extracted. It is a very good model fit. And adjusted R square is 0.985, that is close to 1, which this model can be generalized. And the second table, which will describe what is the total score and regression score and error that is residual, and the overall model, the F value is 5434.227. Overall model is significant at 1% level. Let us move to the coefficients table. The constants: healthy working environment, opportunity for continued growth, adequate compensation. All together, the significant level is 1%, less than 1%. This model is perfectly fit. Now, from this model, out of the total score, the healthy working environment has highest score, like the factor, because the factor having highest eigenvalue. There is a close relationship between eigenvalue and the coefficient score. Let us see how to interpret it. The factors to multiple regression. Relationship between dependent and independent variable. Dependent variable is overall opinion of bank employees, and independent variables are the factors influencing quality work life. From this multiple regression, I have taken this all the values factors influencing quality work life of bank employees. These 4 factors, all the scores which were seen in this result. Now let us move to how it is interpreted. It is seen from table that coefficient of determination R square was 0.985, indicating 98.5% of the variance in quality work life of bank employees be explained by all 4 independent variables included in the model. The F value indicates that fitted linear multiple regression was significant at 1% level and is valid to draw inference. Among 4 independent variables, healthy working environment, opportunity for career development, adequate compensation, and stress and work life were found to be statistically significant. So the factors can be converted for multiple regression in this way.